You've probably heard a lot of news about good fat and bad fat, hydrogenated fats and trans fats. Which is good and which is bad? Flaxseed oil is something that's been in the media a lot lately, and there's been a lot of connection to exactly how you can lose weight loss using flaxseed. Hi, my name is Jenny Roberts. I'm a nationally certified personal trainer and a graduate of the American Academy of Nutrition. I have some great suggestions for you today. Yes, you can use flaxseed to lose weight. How does that work? First of all, you've got to understand that good fats, which flaxseed is, are essential to your diet. Now, this means that your body cannot make these essential fatty acids on its own. It has to get them through food, and flaxseed is a great source. Now, when you're getting those good fats in because they are essential, your body will begin to let go of things it doesn't need. And this is where the weight loss process can kick in. Now, of course, good balanced diet, exercise is also a big part of that, but certainly flaxseed can play a key role. Now, a couple of really important tips. When you purchase flaxseed, you're going to want to make sure that you store that in the refrigerator once you've opened it, because it is an oil, and oils do go rancid. They are food, and they'll rot just like any other food. So that refrigeration will help keep that process, slow that process down, and keep that flaxseed oil fresh, because you'll only be using a little bit at a time. So one bottle can go a long, long way. Good luck in using flaxseed to lose weight. I'm Jenny Roberts. Thanks for joining.